Okay, in this video I'm going to show you the email autoresponder. So this is the email that is triggered when somebody signs up to download some of your leaflets in a campaign, and they would enter their details in the email lead collection form, and they would be delivered firstly to a page where they can download those resources. But if you have this email triggered as well, they will also be sent this email. So the first thing that you need to do, or you need to at some point in this process, is to turn it on, so make it active. Now, we have written an email for you where you see these little asterisks with a sort of a straight up vertical line and some capital letters. That is, that's our merge field, so that is customer name. Do not change that. Customer first name, it will merge that in based on the data that they enter in the form, so don't change that. Then we have written basically an email for you. Again, here is a merge field which takes them to the page that they would have been sent to once they'd completed the form. So that's the place where they can download all their resources. So again, please do not delete any of this code here. You can just click on this following link if you want to change it to something else, but please don't take anything outside these two A's with little A's in sort of speedo brackets, whatever they are. Leave that there, because if you take that out, then they won't be able to get the link and your email will not make sense. As far as the rest of the content goes, your company name will be merged in from your branding details, so just make sure that that's in there. And you can edit the rest of the text, just leave anything where you see anything kind of codey, I guess. Excuse me. So first of all, if you want to preview what the email looks like, click update. You need to do that first because that loads the text into your kind of account, so to speak. Sometimes it will take you back to the first tab without taking you back to the email. So let's just click back on that email. And then if you click preview, you will see a preview of your email. Now again, do not worry that this says hi first name. That is just a filler piece of text. As I say, when it is sent, it will have the right details merged in. And you can see here it says you can download your free breast cancer rehabilitation information pack here. Just click the following link, and then when you click on that link, what I should have done is done that in a new browser. It will take them to the page where all the leaflets are. So this is all quite a nice, neat, smooth process. What I should have done is, let me just click back. Right, so we're back at the email. Now you can edit any of the text. So let me change, for example, best wishes tour at Co-Kinetic. Let's change it to that. And click update again. And then you should just be able to refresh this. And you'll see it says best wishes tour at Co-Kinetic. So you can completely edit this email to suit your needs. Just be wary that you don't take any of these merge fields out of here. This will bring in the email address from the branding details. So we were testing with an email address that was longer so that we could show the branding details, but that will pull in automatically from there. And also you just need to obviously then turn that to active. This email will not trigger unless you've got that turned on to active. Now you can change the image if you want to. I would just encourage you to do like for like. So what I would say is, if you do want to change the image, download that image, just go and save it somewhere on your computer, which I don't want to do now, and just check the details, because I don't want to get drawn into all of that, but just check the dimensions and try and match something similar. So make sure the kind of size of the file is about the same and the dimensions of the file are the same, because otherwise this can get a bit mad. You can in theory put any file in there, but obviously just to keep the formatting and making it look nice, that file is a certain size for a certain reason. So just try and match to that, and that will help ensure that it looks good. But that is how you see the preview of it. As you can see, it's all nicely matched to the size of the email and it looks good. So that is the autoresponder email. You do not have to have that active if you don't want to set that up. If you're managing this in a different way and you're taking the leads into another system and you're triggering emails from in there, that's absolutely fine. But this is only one email. It will be sent immediately after they've entered their details into the lead collection form, so it's completely up to you whether you have it active or not. Hopefully that all makes sense. Okay, cheers guys.